This is this lame brain trying to do some cool trick. It's so cool about jumping over 2mm curb. Yeah, yeah. That was the lamest trick ever. Woo! Ah! Cool, let's go over here. Now we're entering Forest Lake. Cypress Forest Lake. Hopefully we'll get... I have no idea where we... Wait, I don't even know which way to go. I think that... Is that gate open? Is that gate open? Oh, I guess we could still... Oh. No, but there's a little trail.